Alrighty. So what we are doing today is we are going to be two different types of brews today. I don't know why this is actually. I'm going to take this off. And first one is going to be from Mr. Beard's Slipper Stock Double IPA. So we got a few things going on right here. We got Columbus pellet hops. We have another set. We have Simcoe. We have a couple of them. Centennial wheat beer. And then we are going to have a Canadian blonde. And then so what we did so far, excuse the mess, is we went ahead and added a gallon of water. Got to bring to a boil. Once that comes to a boil, we added a booster to it. And then we went ahead and added our purified water to the, you see it right there. Now we're going to be adding the hops to our hops. Next, we just added half a packet of Simcoe and a packet of Sentinel hops, Columbus hops, and here we're going to put it in a boil. And then Ashley is going to be adding a packet of Columbus and a half packet of Columbus into there, and then we're going to be adding more. Okay, so this is going to be boiling for 10 minutes. This is the first hop set. And then what I want you to do, Ashley, is once you're done with that, tie this in, and I'm going to run this over hot tap water. Of these we're going to put in the freezer, and then we're going to dry hop them later on. Now what we're going to do, we got 30 minutes done, we're going to add the worts to the 1 gallon of water that we have filled. Like we're dead. Do this, you want to get a lot of air out of it. You want to mix it well. That way everything mixes. Now what we're going to do next, we're going to add the yeast on top. That is it. And last but not least, so what we're going to do next is I have a Tank Pro. Cleaned it off, cleaned up my freezer. It's good. We're gonna let this sit in here. That. Put this on, and you want to get all the air out. And that's it. Now we're gonna keep it around 70 degrees, about 3 weeks. Okay. So the first one was the Slipper Socks Double IPA. And we have that in the refrigerator, so that's going to be about 2 weeks. And then we're going to dry hop it. And then this one's going to be the Tricentennial Red Ale. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing next, I'm going to be adding the red wheat flakes and the Munich malts into a single hop sack. You sanitize everything, even the scissors, whatever it touches. The cleaner the beer, the better. Around 155 degrees, we're going to put this hop sack in there. So we're going to use the grains that it produces. This is a partial mash recipe. What we're going to do is your hops. They look like little big pellets. They smell good. Get that smell-o-vision yet. What we're going to do is... These are Josh's used socks. Yes, they're my used socks. They look great. Very good. Half a pack in here. No, you can just go to Petco and PetSmart and get your local hops, guys. You can do that. And then you want to make sure that you know the difference between the hop sacks, the one with the 2 halves and the one with the full. Now this is boiling. We want to make sure it's around 155 degrees. And it's a little high already, so we're going to lower this down. What we're going to do is we're going to pour the grain sack in here. We're going to let it steep. That's pretty much what we're going to do. About a half an hour. So, what we're going to do next, I'm just going to take my little spoon and pour some of the water on top of the grains just so it gets nice and moist. And then we're going to let this bad boy sit for about a half an hour. All right, so we got the half an hour done. I went ahead and poured some hot water on it, and I'm letting it just drain. Okay, so now what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the heat up to a low rolling boil, and then we are going to add our booster, add our HME. Yeah, look at that. Alrighty, so now we got it in here. We are going to mix now everything. What we're going to do is we are going to add a half pack of Sentinel hops to boil for about 60 minutes. Now